stuff and comment down below. And also, we don't know what day are we gonna be posting, so make sure you guys comment down below so we know what day do you guys want us to post for you guys.
So basically, our first video is going to be about testing 2 ingredient slimes and 1 ingredient slime. So basically, all the ingredients that we have in front of us are shaving cream, toothpaste, lotion, shampoo and conditioner mixed together, soap, foam soap, and some salt. And then we have our little bowls and plastic utensils or whatever. So let's just get started. So the first ingredient that we're going to be testing is toothpaste and shaving cream. Yep. So I'm scared.
Oh, it looks really cool.
Let me get some. Oh my god, I'm really scared because I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I'm gonna do a lot.
We're just doing random stuff, so
exactly. Don't judge us if this doesn't work. People have been telling us on like my mom, she's been saying that this works. Yeah, so hopefully this works. I'm just gonna mix this to give it like a good mix. Oh, oh yeah, I really want this to work. Okay, let's see if this works.
Look at how cute it looks.
I just added a little bit. And we got the red toothpaste because we wanted it to have like color in it. Because the other toothpaste are just white. And the shaving cream is white, so we wanted to add like some color.
So basically, it smells like toothpaste, of course. And it has like a little color, like pink.
This does not. So we're gonna do this by 1 to 10. I think my vote would probably be a 1 because this did not turn into slime, but it feels like a foam.
Like it's really like,
you know what I'm gonna try? So I'm actually gonna cheat a little bit and add some of the salt because I actually want to see if this is gonna work.
A little bit.
A little bit because I want to see if this is gonna work. Oh my god. Hopefully this doesn't turn it into a liquid because in some recipes the salt makes it into a liquid. Okay.
Alright, so
wait, let me take off my jacket because
it's pretty hot.
Okay.
So it looks like it's going to be mixing, but the problem is it's not doing anything.
Okay, so this skill would probably be a 1 for me. Now let's touch this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it with a spoon. It's like a bubble. I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm scared.
Alright, I put out my hand.
Ew! Okay, yeah. I changed my score. I'm gonna give this a 5 now. This feels so good.
It's not slime, but it's like really like
it feels good.
So much fun to play with.
Yeah, so it feels good. So we're gonna move on to the next recipe, but we're gonna go wash our hands. So we'll pause the video. Hey guys, so we're back.
And so now we're gonna be doing the next ingredient for the slime. We're gonna be using some salt and some conditioner. So we decided to add another conditioner because since that one didn't work, we're gonna be trying to do the next one is coconut oil with coconut butter conditioner. So let's go.
And we're not gonna be using this anymore because it's kind of like a liquidy. This is only good for an activator. So later on, tomorrow when we shoot a new video, we're gonna be using this for activator. I'm really scared because I really want this one to work. This one was like I really want this one to work. I'm gonna do it on the spoon and then I put it there because you know I just want to do that.
And this one's not perfect. So now
it has like a scent inside. It smells exactly like coconut.
So now I'm gonna put this on salt.
Oh, mine is turning into like a liquidy. I'm gonna add more shampoo, just a little bit because you don't want to waste all of the shampoo.
Oh my god, this
guys. Oh my god, I really want this to work. Some people say that if you put this in the freezer or you leave it, if you put it in the freezer and you leave it there a little bit, it will work. I'm out of shaving cream.
So mine didn't work.
Oh, let's add foam soap with lotion because we didn't use this. So I'm just gonna add 1 squirt of foam. It's not coming out, so you know what? I guess 1 spoon of lotion. Here, 1 spoon of lotion. cells. Hopefully this works because I really want this to work. I feel like all of this
kind of
lines
working.
Let me see.
Like kind of.
Mine is kind of working too. It's like coming together. If we had glue, this would definitely come together.
Yeah.
But you know, this video is about testing 2 ingredients times. So without glue and borax, an activator. So this is basically without activator. I'm gonna add more conditioner. Some of the
So mine
activator.
basically didn't work. It looks like a marshmallow, and it's definitely smells good. So I'm not gonna put it on my hand because my hands are like kind of like buttery. So yeah.
I'm gonna touch it. Let's touch it. Let's touch it. Who cares? Come on, this is Wait, I'm gonna grab a whole fish spoon. Here, give me some.
It's okay.
Ooh, wait.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Ew! This is like pudding.
Oh my god, look at this, man. It looks like frosting, first of all.
Ew, okay. It's very cold. This is freezing. Ah! This is very freezing.
So
It
now
feels very
let's
good.
go and wash our hands.
And now we'll
So, yeah.
Now we'll see you in 2 minutes, and we'll come back. So we're back, and now is like the final surprise. We're gonna mix all of these ingredients in to see if it works. So let's get started. We're gonna start with activator. I'm just gonna add a little bit because you don't add a lot. And I'm gonna add the conditioner. So we're going like from this way. Now I'm gonna add coconut shampoo made from real coconut. And this is from Whole Blends. You can get it from there. I just added 1 squirt. There you go. Shaving cream. I'm gonna add a lot of it because I want this to work. Lotion. I'm not gonna add. You're only gonna add like 2 bits of lotion because lotion is very liquidy and you don't want it to turn into like a liquid. A little bit of salt and the final soap. This is like the best scent. I think I only use this for the scent because it smells like shells, like good ones from the beach, you know. Now we're gonna mix all of this up. Oh my god, I put a lot of shaving cream for a little slime. In a little bowl.
It doesn't really want to mix together for
It
some
doesn't
reason.
want to mix. I think it's because like the shaving cream is really like, I don't know. But I think it's not working because of it like it hasn't dissolved yet.
Yeah,
But once
mine
you keep
isn't
mixing it,
working at all.
when you start mixing, it starts to work.
Mine isn't working at all.
Oh yeah, I'm getting my hands messy. I don't really like getting my hands messy. Whatever. It's messy, you know. What should I add next to make it? Ooh, soaps. So what are we doing right now? You guys are probably like, oh my god, they're just inventing. Right now we're just mixing all of these ingredients up to see if they can make slime. I thought the shaving cream was gonna make something because apparently this is wow. We haven't had one successful
I know.
slime out of all of it.
Seriously.
I would give this a 3 out of 10.
I will give this a 5. First of all, because it was really fun to make it, and second of all, because it felt good. But mine smells really good. I'm
gonna add more coconut shampoo. Just a little bit, because we use this here.
So I think I'm done. Mine was not successful at all. So
Mine wasn't successful either, as you can see.
So now we're gonna be washing everything else. So yeah.
Okay, guys.
So this was not successful for us at all. So make sure you guys comment down below what we did wrong.
So, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, comment down below, share. Follow us on our social media such as Instagram, Musical.ly, and
Snapchat.
yep.
And make sure you guys comment down below what more videos you want us to make for you guys. So
Peace out.